have this vehicle come through our shop because it's got a lot of history behind it, and it's just been everywhere and it's about to go everywhere else. This vehicle's being turned into a world tourer, so they're actually going to send it to the USA, Europe, Asia, and they want to travel the world in it. Come check it out. So there's a high top. We have our little high top badges going on now, which is kind of cool. Little HTs. Come inside. It is a premium model finish. So he's obviously got the automotive spray paint, which is obviously colour coded to the vehicle. This is a factory red Troopy. There's only 50 of them ever brought into Australia, and it's the original paint. So it's pretty special. It's got the timber ceilings inside, red and white lights. A premium model has everything in it anyway. But yeah, no expense spared on this, and it's about to get a whole fit out done as well. Big heavy duty latches. Push these access doors up, and then you can push the bed up as well. So that'll give you plenty of space. You can take your seats out and then put your full kitchen cabinet, and you can walk all the way up to here. But this is being set up as a family tourer, because as I said, they're going around the world. So 3 kids in the back, they're putting a fit out in here, and then obviously upstairs bed, and then downstairs will be a bed as well. So pretty epic build. We got our red and white lights upstairs as well. Organizer, pop your laptop in there, you want to watch a movie, sleep your head up this end if you want to. And then you've got your little USB and USB-C ports now. The fans, they simply just fold down like that. Twist them, rotate them however you want to, because you typically have your head up that end, so fans are designed to work that way. Obviously they do blow here as well if you want. There's 3 settings on those things, and then there's also like an intermittent fairing as well. So basically you put the fan on, fold it down, and then you can unplug it, and the battery will let it run for a couple of hours, about 3-4 hours. So you can have a fan on, you going to sleep, cooling you down, but then you don't wake up with a sniffly nose because it doesn't, sort of blow on you all night long. So that's pretty handy. And then you've obviously got your 110mm mattress with the being a high top. So 110mm thick. It's got a 25mm of memory foam in there, so you don't need to put a topper on it. But yeah, essentially that's it. So it's obviously, these are machine washable as well, which is great, but you do put bed sheets on them. And they're UV and water resistant too, so pretty handy. Carpet's just a charcoal grey, well it's a smoke grey carpet, it's a super flex, so a 4-way stretch carpet allows us to put it into every nook and cranny that we need it to. In the premium model you can opt to swap your timber ceilings out for Velcro carpet, so if you want to constantly attach stuff to the roof, because if you constantly pull stuff off that, it'll eventually just pull the carpet apart. So we do a Velcro carpet as well, where it's designed to be able to have Velcro stuck on it every single day. Yeah. So we put that in the ceiling, and we put that under the bed and access doors as well. So this has got the automotive spray paint finish, which we class as part of our premium package fit out. And we bring the car in. You've got 2 options. You give us a colour code, and we can colour match the colour code. Or if you want a perfect match, we need to bring your car in a bit earlier, and we can take a colour sample off the vehicle and just match paint to that. So you got your 2 options there. But that's all part of the premium model offering. To wrap up on the red Troopy that we've had here for a couple of weeks now. Hope you guys enjoy that.